Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're about to go for a test drive in a 1973 Riviera. Got a 455 under the hood, aluminum radiator, power steering. Just seems like she got a lot of power. We'll be testing that out. We do that with every car on the lot, so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check us out at maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. You can also see all of our inventory. We update every week. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, before we take off here, we're gonna look around the interior and check this thing out. Got a custom dash, custom console, custom seats, all the way around. Package trays custom as well. Headliners looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up pretty good. AC does work. It's not super cold right now though. Wipers work. Horn is missing the center of the steering wheel, so that's not gonna happen. Speakers on both sides, a place for your iPad, tablet. All right, let's take off down the road. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is take off down the road. Anything I see, I will let you know about. Let's get it. Coming up on the dash on this one. Brakes don't feel too bad. It's going pretty straight down the road. The steering, nice and tight. Not really any slack. As soon as I turn, it turns. Got a great sound to it. AC is just not getting cold. It's working, but it's not getting cold. I noticed the compressor is kicked on, and it's just like a touch cold, I guess. Might need to be recharged. I haven't been able to get into the throttle. There's been tons of people around me. Heavy traffic today. It's pretty peppy. This car is definitely a lot of weight going down the road. It's gonna need a turn signal switch. It's got a tilt column here. There's no turn signal. The little lever must have fell out. Guys, we're gonna pull off in this parking lot over here, go ahead and get some outside shots, give you an idea what it sounds like on the outside of this vehicle. You can check below in the description and check out all the equipment I use. I even got Amazon links to them. jump out and take these shots. Got y'all in here set up, checking out the dash. Let's shut this door. All right, we'll head on back to the lot now. Keep swinging for the turn signal. It's gone. Let him get way ahead here. Definitely runs good. The drivetrain's nice, steering feels good, and the brakes are good. So running and driving wise, not really any issues. This car is going to need some paint work, some body work. Definitely watch the walk around video and see what I was talking about. Let her get way ahead of me again. Take a right on this road here. It's where the speed bump is. You're not going to hear anything in this car. Usually tell you to listen for rattles and suspension. The suspension's awesome. Speed bump's coming out right here. Hardly even noticed. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I do appreciate you riding along with me. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. And be sure to check out the walk around video. It points out any kind of flaws on this paint job. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.